Welcome to my tutorial, how to enable block screenshots of sensitive info on Booking.com. In today's digital age, protecting privacy and personal data has become extremely important. Booking.com, one of the most popular platforms for booking accommodation, offers an option that allows you to block screenshots of sensitive information during the booking process. This feature provides an additional layer of security, preventing unauthorized capture of your data. In this guide, I will show you how to activate this useful option and secure your data while using Booking.com. Let's get started. First, open your Booking app. Then, in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile. Now, scroll down and tap on the Settings option. Once you are in the settings, look for the option called Block Screenshots of Sensitive Info and tap the switch next to it to turn it on. And that's it. Very quick and simple, right? If you liked the video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and guides. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video.